So this is going to be the brand new Shure SM4. We're going to go ahead and unbox it today and take a look to see if it is worth buying and who is this microphone here for. So let's go ahead and open this up. So as you can see, this is going to be a condenser mic. It's a home recording microphone kit. Not only is it going to include a carrying case, a shock mount, but also a pop filter. I'm super excited to go ahead and open this up and take a look to see if this is worth buying and who is it actually for. So this is a at home in every studio. It comes with a mix ready sound, so smooth, natural, plosive free recordings with an internal pop filter. You're also going to get a dual diaphragm capsule, large sweet spot for flexibility. So you're going to be able to really talk from mostly any angle and still be able to capture really great audio. It has interference shielding technology, which is pretty incredible. It eliminates unwanted noise and captures clean audio with built-in RF interface protection. Camera ready, sleek, low profile. You're going to see the design of this mic. Again, I truly love the way they've built this. Legendary durability. You know, Shure is meant to have microphones that are built to last. And that's what you're going to see in the build quality here. And then it's going to be ready to record. Once you take it out of this box, it's going to have the pop filter, the shock mount, and the carrying case. So let's go ahead and open this up. So when we open this up here, you're going to see the packaging is going to say your home studio upgraded. Of course, you can go ahead and go to help.shure/SM4 to be able to get more instructions on how to set this up, but it comes in a beautiful carrying case here. So this thing is beautiful, is durable. It's going to make it easy for you to be able to travel with if you want to be able to store it. So when we open this up, you're going to go ahead and see that we're going to get our quick start guide. We're going to go ahead and get the safety information. So put that aside. And then here's what you're going to go ahead and receive inside. So we're going to go ahead and have the shock mount. Again, the durability of this is pretty incredible. You're going to be able to see, you're going to place the mic here, has a tightening screw at the bottom, so you don't have to turn the mic to get it perfect. You can just place the mic in there, turn this, and make sure that the mic is facing you. And then this is going to go ahead and attach here to your mic arm or your stand. And it also comes with an additional adapter based on which one you're going to need. And then it's also going to bring some additional bands because potentially these could ever break for you. You have some additional ones to replace it for the shock mount. So we're going to put that aside for just now. You're also going to get the pop filter, and this is actually a really good build quality. So this is going to really help with the plosives. Even though it already has the plosive filter built inside to the mic, doesn't hurt to have an additional plosive filter added on there, and it's just simply magnetic, making it super easy to be able to attach on. Doesn't have that band that typically comes with a pop filter that's easy to break. This is going to be easily magnetic to the shock mount. Next thing here, we have the mic. So this actually has a good amount of weight to it, which is really incredible. You're going to have, of course, the Shure logo, but this is going to be a clean design. It's going to be different from the Shure MV7. It's going to be different from the Shure SM7db, but the sound of this is pretty incredible just out of the box. And we're going to see here now when we go ahead and get this set up. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and install the shock mount. So again, this can go onto a stand, this can go onto a mic arm, and simply you're just going to go ahead and get that put in. And then once you do, it's pretty much ready to go. Now we grab our microphone, and again, you're gonna look for the Shure logo. This is what you want facing you, and you want to go ahead and place this directly inside here, facing you. When you hear it click, and now what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and just tie in the bottom. Again, you face it, position it to exactly where you want it, and then you just tie in the bottom till it gets tight. And now you're gonna have the microphone facing you directly where you want it to be. And again, you can adjust this. And then here's where you'll see that this is gonna go ahead and easily just attach right there, just like that. So this is going to be the microphone that we have here. So now what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and see the audio, and I'm going to compare the audio to the Shure SM7db, which is the mic I normally use, to the SM4. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so this is going to be the audio that you're going to hear out of the SM4. So this is just straight out the box. I don't have any kind of filters or anything in my audio interface. And again, this is going to be an XLR mic for you to be able to utilize. So you would plug this into a regular interface for you to be able to utilize. Otherwise, you can go ahead and use the Shure MVX2U. So this is going to be what it looks like. And what this allows you to do is that it allows you to be able to turn any XLR mic into a USB connection, USB-C. So here you are, the back end, you're going to be able to have a monitor input, and you're also be able to connect it directly to your computer without needing an audio interface. This is your interface. So don't think that because this is XLR, you wouldn't be able to utilize it. You can just get the adapter directly from Shure to turn this into a USB microphone for you. So again, This is what this audio sounds like straight out of the box. And again, you're gonna want to be able to position yourself at the right distance. This looks really good on screen. And now if I go ahead and bring here the Shure SM7db, you're gonna be able to hear the different audio sources here. So this is what you're gonna hear from the Shure SM7db. This is the pure microphone there, Shure's bread and butter kind of mic. So you can hear the audio levels for this here. And again, this is again without any kind of filters or any kind of EQ done onto the mic. And then the same for the SM4, which you're gonna hear. This is going to be the SM4. So it's going to be at the perfect price point where if you don't want the MV7 and you don't like the look of the MV7 and you don't want to spend the price tag on the Shure SM7db, then you can go ahead and get the SM4. It's going to look great on camera. You're going to have the pop filter and you're going to be able to utilize this mic just right out of the box. And again, have the carrying case. So if you are looking for a good looking quality built mic that sounds incredible, that's not going to break the bank, then this is going to be the mic for you. And again, I'll put a link in the description of this video for you to be able to get more information on it, look at the price points, and see if this is what you want for your home studio. Now, if you're interested in the Shure SM7db and you really love the sound of that mic, go ahead and watch this video right here where I walk you step by step on how this mic works and how you can go ahead and utilize it as well for your studio. I'll see you guys in the next video.